All right, guys, we are loaded up and ready for our first adventure with the new tent. Got the e-bikes, and we're heading south. So hope you'll hang around, and I'll kind of let you know how this tent works out. On our way south, we're going to make a quick lunch stop in Gatlinburg. We haven't been through here in over 20 years. Darn it, got a red light. Well, not much has changed here. It seems like every time we come here, it's overcast or rainy. I don't think I've ever been to Gatlinburg on a sunny day. So we're going to catch a quick lunch and head on up the mountain. Well, as you can tell by the sign, they are not open to anybody roadside camping, boondocking. All of the gates are closed and access is very limited to anything off the beaten path. When we get to the other side of the mountain, we're going to be in Cherokee, North Carolina. We're going to make our way through the back roads to Chattanooga, Tennessee, and then eventually we're going to make our way all the way down to Navarre, Florida. We're going to stay in a campground this time. We still have quite a few things we need to get before we go totally off grid with the tent. Well, we made it to our foo-foo camping site for the night. Nice little water view over there. Let's see how it sets up. Well, setup went really well. Campground is amazing. Nice, beautiful trees everywhere. View of the water. This will be our first night in the tent, so I've got high hopes for the mattress. I'll give you an update on that tomorrow. We're gonna go to the beach, have some fun. I'm definitely feeling the need for an awning. If it rains, I'm gonna be in trouble. I really like the setup this guy has. It's a rhino rack awning, so that's probably gonna be one of my next purchases, is an awning of some sort. I've got everything to wear. If it gets wet, it's not gonna matter, but definitely the next step, an awning. Okay, this is the beach at the campground. It's an absolutely gorgeous beach. It's right on the Santa Rosa Sound, and right across the sound or the bay there is Navarre Beach. Well, I think I found a boat that I can afford, but I'm just not sure if the Gladiator will haul it or not. You guys will have to let me know. It's got a little bit of extra weight on it, carrying some sand. So I don't have the max tow package, so I might be out of luck. Let me know what y'all think. You think I can tow this with the Gladiator? Man, I just realized this thing even has a fish finder on it. I am ready to go. Heck yeah. We're just gonna sit here and enjoy the sunset. Well, the first night went really well. We're happy with the mattress. We had a nice breeze blowing through the tent all night. Overall, just really happy, nice and cozy. Let's fold this thing up and head to the beach. We've covered most of the Gulf Coast of Florida in our travels, but never been in the Panhandle. And I must say, this is some of the whitest, most beautiful sand and beaches that I've ever seen. It looks like snow. You really cannot tell that these aren't big piles of snow on the side of the road. It is absolutely gorgeous. This section of highway has a 35-mile-an-hour speed limit. There's no houses, condos, nothing but sand dunes. You can see the sound on one side and the ocean on the other. Plenty of room on both sides of the road to ride bikes. It's just a great place to go take a bike ride. Or to take a nice slow drive in the Jeep with the tops off. That's our next plan. And we just found a beach sailboat. We thought that was pretty cool. We're gonna go check it out. If you know the backstory to this boat, please leave a comment down below. It's actually a pretty cool sailboat. I don't think the Gladiator would pull this. Man, this is an awesome place. I think this is my new favorite beach location. We loaded up the bikes and headed over to Pensacola Beach for dinner. And now we're headed back to camp. The skies are starting to turn a little bit dark, so we're gonna make some tracks. Get things set up before the rain sets in tonight. On day 2, we headed east to Destin. It's about a 30 to 40 minute drive, but well worth it. Beautiful beaches and sand, the water's crystal clear. Definitely recommend making a visit to Destin, Florida. On day 3, the weather wasn't looking so great, so we decided to take Route 399 through the Santa Rosa area again, over through Pensacola and to Sweet Home, Alabama. We had never been to Gulf Shores, Alabama, so this was our chance. You know, I hate to sound like a broken record, but this is a really cool state park. This bike path, we rode 15 miles on this bike path. They have a massive campground. We'll definitely be coming back here very soon with my son, and I think instead of staying in Navarre, we're probably going to stay here. This bike path takes you to the beach, takes you all around. It's just pretty incredible. You have to check this place out. This is an amazing bike path. It's the best one we've ever been on. Right to the beach, come right into the boggy bayou, I guess. I don't know what you call it back here, but it's pretty awesome. This is what I call a bike path here. Man, you can come out here and go fishing. Lord have mercy. This place is awesome. Well, our time is winding down and it's time to head back to West Virginia, but we have had such a good time down here with the Jeep, our new rooftop tent, riding our e-bikes. We have a new favorite vacation location. We will definitely be back as soon as possible. Hey, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Until next time, God bless you all.